Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can change size of display on your display icons on your Android device. So for doing this you just need to open settings. In settings you find additional settings, open it and just scroll down, and here you will find accessibility, so just choose accessibility, and here you will see display size. Just go here, and here you can see three different options. So you can make it small, it's a variant, normal variant, and large third. So after you choose, for example, large, just click here to save changes. Bigger items, text, images and icons will be enlarged. Some icons might change their places. Just click OK, and now you successfully changed your display size. Here you can see for large. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.